Hello everyone, great news, another video. Now 14 tweaks you haven't seen before. I also have two great themes. One is Greases, both thanks to UDark developer. And first 7 tweaks I'm gonna show you with this theme. Let's start. The first is a free tweak, AppButton. You see this circle? It gives you this circle. When you press on it, you can see your apps that are in App Switcher, and you can easily access them. So, for example, everything that's in App Switcher, it will show you as you scroll down. I don't know if you can see it, but if I go here, for example, settings, it will show you my settings for the wallpaper that I did. If I invoke it like this, then I can go to my email, right? So there are many cool, it's a cool feature, and you can place it anywhere you want on the screen. The second bye and free tweak. So you know, when you scroll down on your Instagram feed, you will come to the end where it says you are all caught up. Well, now with this tweak you can scroll to the infinity and see old posts as well as the new ones. Tweak number 3 is CC Preferences Pro, and it's $1.49. Actually, there is a free version on BigBoss if you prefer that one, but it has less features. So what does it do? It enables you to reach your preferences, your settings from anywhere. You invoke the control center, you put it here, this is CC Preferences, and you set up where you want it to go. So I've set up that it brings me automatically to my battery. So wherever I am, I can just press on it and it brings me automatically to my battery settings. Dock Indicators is another free tweak which gives you the option to see which apps in your dock are currently running in the background. And you can select few things about it. You can select the position, width, height, corner radius, and even the color of these small bars there at the bottom. Another free tweak is LangSwipe, which is very useful tweak, very cool tweak. It gives you the option to swipe up or down on your keyboard, or swipe left or right on your space bar to switch between the languages. And you can even select which ones you want to be active in this. So when you go to any, as you can see, I have here, this is one. When I go up, it will bring me to my Serbian keyboard. When I go again up, it will bring me to my emojis, and I swipe down, it changes between these keyboards or languages. Very cool tweak. LSContact is a paid tweak, which is $1.50, and I want to thank the developer who shared this tweak with me. So the tweak places your favorite contacts on your lock screen all the time, and you can have it as a stack style, smooth style. You can have it always on top or below notifications, it's up to you. You can have it page under the contacts, ask before calling, and many other things. So it looks something like this. As you can see, my contacts are there. When I press on it, it will give me the option to send WhatsApp, send SMS, or when I click on it, it will ask me whether I want to call the contact or not. Very useful tweak. MacSafe recently published tweak. Very cool one, just gives you the option of when you charge your phone, you will get this notification as if you are in iOS 14. So now I'm iOS 13.5. When I plug in the charger, I will get this notification. So it's pretty cool. Let me show you one more time. So like with the new MagSafe chargers from Apple. So the next 7 tweaks I'm gonna show you with another theme. And this another theme is called Finestra. Finestra is a cool paid theme for your device, which you can download it from the Packix repo for $1.99. So the next tweak that I want to show you, another one, free one, it's called Musico with O at the end. So it gives you this option here. It gives you this icon on your home screen. So this enables you to import any music file from WhatsApp, from email, from Skype, wherever you receive it, it will import it here and you can play it as your songs. NoTube Ads. NoTube Ads just does that thing. It removes your ads from your YouTube feed. So if you just need this option enabled, I highly suggest you try this tweak. There are no settings special for this tweak. So when I play music, when you play your music on Apple Music, Deezer, Spotify, whatever you're using, so when I click play on my phone, I will get this small cool notification which shows me that I'm playing this music. Now this is thanks to Now Playing Indicator, a free tweak which is pretty awesome, pretty neat. It just does this. When I stop the music, it will disappear from the status bar. So pretty neat. We are all familiar with the reachability option feature in iPhone, where you swipe down on the screen and the whole screen goes down for your easier access of the top icons. Now, ReachOptions is a tweak, one of many, who plays with this option in iPhone. So instead of populating that empty space there, it gives you something else. You can select which commands you want to invoke with reachability gesture. So when I do this, I can take screenshot, I can respring, enable, disable Wi-Fi, spotlight search, or actually invoke reachability options. So this is pretty cool. The next tweak is called Take Screenshot Haptic. Self-explanatory. I cannot show you that there are no settings for the tweak, but once you take a screenshot, you will feel the haptic feedback, right? So when I take the screenshot, I'm feeling the haptic feedback from the phone, which, you know, if you prefer these kind of things, this tweak is very useful. TextTime is a super awesome tweak which replaces your time on the lock screen with text. Instead of numbers, you will see text. And you have tons of customization to do. You can align it to the left, center, right. You can have it lowercase, capitalized, uppercase, font size, font weight, vibrancy effect. You can hide the date, compact, etc. So you can do tons of features. You can do tons of customizations, as you can see. So it's 10:35 now, and you see how it, adjusts to my background. It's very nice and very cool looking tweak. Last tweak for today is a volume controller. You know, when you play your music, you get a volume HUD on the left side. So this one gives you an option to really customize it. The first thing I want to tell you that you can put like more sensitive settings for how many steps you want to reach 100. So the more you put, slower you will get to 100. So it was 16 by default. I put 25. I want more precise volume. So when I go into portrait mode, I can select several options, and I can select the position. So I've selected 50-50, which means this. You see? It's here. So, if you decide to put 0-0, so it will put here, in the center, right? If you leave it empty, it will just put it where it is, and it's gonna always be bold, right? So I can also have slim, which I prefer, to be honest. If you put 100 and 100, what will happen? So you see, it's gonna show here. So you can play any way you like with VolumeController. You can also set it up for the landscape mode. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you again for watching my awesome video. I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up, recommend me to your friends, and see you in the next one.